The 360 Egg Incubator Kit is designed to cater to a variety of poultry eggs, including chicken, quail, duck, and goose, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and small-scale farmers. With its automatic egg turner, the incubator ensures even heating by rotating the eggs every 2 hours, which helps to improve the hatching speed and success rate. The inclusion of a humidity display and water replenishment system allows for precise control of the incubation environment, reducing the risk of dehydration and improving overall hatchability. A transparent lid provides a clear view of the eggs, offering a fascinating educational experience as you observe the development and hatching process. Equipped with a digital temperature control system and a turbofan, the incubator maintains a stable and uniform temperature, essential for successful hatching. The adjustable egg tray spacing accommodates eggs of various sizes, enhancing the incubator's flexibility and usability for different poultry species.